gojen budore jojo janni aro eko bidilo ne to maido ajrolo amari ko gorba ichi Netherlands ton যে বেড়াইছে আমার মহাবোধি সে লগে আমার ধর্ম কালচার উড়ন ফিনন দেখিনে সে লগে আমি ধর্ম ফলো দিনে পঞ্চমশীল আমার বেশি হিসাবে একো হাদি দিনে আমার মান গজেলো সে লগে ময়ো বুত প্লেখান লয় মান গজেলো সে লগে আমার মহাবোধি প্রেসিডেন্ট তাইয়া মান গজেলো কোনো ধারে হিজো এ ধর্ম নহতা এখানে কালচার করা
Nice. Basically, for which purposes did you came here in our place?
I came here on tourism purposes.
Yeah, tourism. That's nice. So, how do you like about our traditional Sagna community dress like this?
I feel very honored that I have gotten this dress from the monk.
Or last question, can you explain me, sir? After you came here, you saw all around us natural environment without any pollution. So this environment you feel better or attractive? Any reason?
I feel very good here.
Yeah. What is your own religion? In which religions you are belong to?
I am atheist.
Yeah.
So actually in my country, the most people are actually atheists.
I mean, you are basically focused on humanity, no?
Yes.
Yeah, that's nice. So finally, your example friend like you has made me very happy. And if even I have to let you go, I will find a great memories to make.
Okay, thank you.
So thank you, sir, for giving me your valuable time in these auspicious occasions. Next time we will meet once again. So finally, we end our conversation here.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. For the event.
So what I told, like, I am Max from the Netherlands, and I'm a traveler in Mizoram. And like I said, I feel very honored to be here as a guest. And like what I told you guys that I was atheist. Right now I have almost traveled to 70 countries in the world. And I have experienced a lot of cultures and a lot of religions. And I think for me the most important thing in religion and culture is humanity.